Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how can you speed up your process and scale. For example, if you find a bestseller or you create a bestseller, how can you scale that design very fast using a tool of Google called Mixboards. This is not so new. It's been released like for 2 months now, I think. I have not seen many videos about it, so now I'm going to teach you how I use it for merch on demand, but you can use it also to scale your Etsy shop or even for Creative Fabrica, anything like that. It's very fast, and then I will show you the 2 fast ways that you can upscale and remove background and make the process even faster, okay? Let's go.
How to use Mixboards.
For this, we're gonna go to Mixboard. This is the address. I'm gonna leave it down in the description so you can go yourself. And I think in some places you will need a VPN to enter the site. But now I'm in the Dominican Republic, and I have access. I think in the USA also, and I think in many other places. But if not, you will need a VPN. Okay. For this, I'm gonna go first to my merchant format research, and research anything. Let's say we wanna find a bestseller, and let's find one that we like, that is not trademark. Let's see. I'm gonna look around. It works with almost anything. Let's see. Maybe we can use this one. It's a simple image of an animal for Valentine's Day. And I'm gonna take a snapshot of this so Mixboard doesn't get confused with the mockup, okay, with the t-shirt. Now I'm going to my Mixboard again. You get started, you put new project, and you upload the image, your reference image, okay? We put it in our desktop here. Sometimes you have to refresh. Okay, now it's working. I'm gonna leave the canvas bigger. And now I have some instructions here. But basically, I'm gonna ask you to make me 10 other animals with the same style and idea of the design, okay? I have this prompt that I wrote for this that is very basic. It says make 10 new designs based on this one. Keep so the hearts over neon green solid flat ground. You will see this is better when you put on the background a color that is very different from the rest of the graphic. It's very easy to remove. You will see what I mean afterwards. Then drawing, do style, aspect ratio 4:5. That is the aspect ratio of merge. Okay, let's see the results. You see, it creates 10 results in just one click. Okay, this is good, but it gave me the same animal. Let's see the prompt. What was wrong? You see, I select this and then I put my prompt here. Okay, I see what was missing. 10 new animals. Let's see now the results. Now it takes like 10 seconds. You see, we get the results. Let's see. It's kind of more graphic than the original one, but they work for me. Okay, let's say you want to download the ones you like. You click them, arrow down, download image. I like this one. I like the lion. I like the monkey. I like the rabbit. I like the tiger. I like the fox. And I like the owl. Okay? What we can do next? If we want to upscale, I will go down to the tool that I showed you previously in other videos. That is Upscale. This one. I will create now a folder here. For example, XOXO. Put my designs here. You can create 50 designs if you want. I'm making the example just 8, okay? We go here in the tool. I will leave a link in the description also. You would upscale, select folder, XOXO, upscale 4x. You can do more, but 4x is enough. Then XOXO, output folder, and upscale. And we have to wait some minutes, okay? Okay, once the process is finished, I'm gonna pick my design. This is a very fast way that you can use Photoshop. The hopefully the last version of Photoshop that has a background remover that is very good for this type of designs. Okay, you open here and then you click this little icon here, and then you have to find what it says in properties, remove background, and just with one click you remove the background. See, if I create another layer, for example put black, and I can put blue or gray. Okay, then if you're still missing this little green there, I'm gonna pick this tool. I'm gonna put tolerance perhaps 50, select here the green and delete, and there you go. This is the a fast way to remove background with Photoshop, but it only works with simple graphics, not with complex background, etc. Then you remove this and you can crop it if you want, like this, and you have your design in high resolution, and then you can export it as a PNG. I prepared it for merge on demand. Okay, the second method that I use that I think is even better is using Vectorizer. That is here. You have to create an account. Okay, and then I'm gonna drag one of my designs, let's say the rabbit, and this tool we transform the graphic into vector. Here is set like a vector. Then if you press here, this little palette of colors, you're gonna see the colors that the design have, and you select the one that is on the background. You see why the background I use the green, because it's not in the other part of the graphic, so it can select it easily and remove it all. Okay, I'm gonna select it, and then I'm gonna click the eye. Boom, you see, no background, clear as water. Then I'm gonna press here, we check, then it's gonna process, and then you have to press here download, and then you can choose here the format, some other customizations. Okay, but for the example, I'm gonna download like this. Then I'm gonna open it in Photoshop again to check if it's working. You see, there you go. Very high scale, it's very good, no pixelated. And then you can also prepare it for the merch on demand or Creative Fabrica or Etsy, whatever you like. Okay, this process is very good because you can, with this tool Mixboard, you can create 100 designs in 5 minutes. Okay, for example, I'm gonna put again the prompt so you can see the fast that it works, and new animals, and it's gonna send me 10 more new animals in the same style. Okay, as a reference. We see less than 5 seconds we have it not all done, and then you decide which one you like. For example, hippopotamus I like. You can increase the size here. I check them. I like these wolves. You see, you can't download in bulk, but it's not a problem. You have this lizard, you have this crocodile, etc. Hope you like the video, guys. If you had any request, please write it down on the comments, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.